Okay guys, I'm going to bake these like the package says, 375 for like 23 minutes. And then I'm going to make chicken tacos in here, cover them with cheese, and bake them. And then when I take them out, you're supposed to cover them with this hot sauce. But I'm just going to let my grandson put it on, dip it or whatever he wants to do with his. Right here. So, we're going to make chicken tacos. This is the first step to bake these, to get them fully done. I don't know if people stick them right in, but I'm not doing that. And then I'm going to use, some people are using mini shells, but this is what I found today when I was at Aldi's. I just got these ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake those, and then you like butter these, and you put them all separate, make your little tacos separate, and then bake them like that. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, the chicken is cooked. What you do is I got melted butter here, or you can use oil, I guess, and you butter the bottom side that goes down, so it'll make them crispy. And you put them in the oven, and then that way you just keep going like that, but you fill them with the chicken. I try to find the smallest chicken bits, so it'll be easier to eat in a taco instead of huge ones. I guess some people do it with the fingers, but so just do like these first three I buttered already. Whoops. So I can show you, and then I can just finish the rest. My husband's probably going to be walking in the door, just a yakking in a second. Okay. So that's what they look like right there. And then you got the cheese. I'm videotaping. Okay, and then fill them with cheese. And you keep going until your pan's full, and then you put them in the oven. Okay, so take it and you butter it. These are hot, that's why I was using a fork, but okay. And then just do the same with the next one. I'm using parchment paper. I've seen this done where they didn't use parchment paper, but I am, so. And you just keep repeating until they're all full. Cover them all with cheese, and then you bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes, I'd say, until it is crispy. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I am going to put it in the oven now. Back it up. I have it at 375. 350 is probably fine. I had it on 375 to begin with, so here we go. We're going to give it about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll take them out and see how they go. See how they are. My grandson will add this hot sauce, and I'll add sour cream on mine, and maybe some salsa. There they are, out of the oven. Looks pretty good. They're supposed to be crispy, like. See if I can get one on a plate. Put a lot of cheese in there, so give it some up close. That's what it looks like. Now on mine, I'm going to add sour cream and salsa, like I said. And my grandson will add the hot sauce. So I'll show you his in a minute. Okay, so here's the hot sauce. I'll put it on one of them, and then he can do his own because I don't want to put too much. There we go, like that. Maybe 2 of them. That's what it looks like with the hot sauce. Here it looks like with the salsa and sour cream. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Try the recipe. It's pretty simple. Pretty easy one. Everybody have a blessed day. You pray for me. I pray for you. Pray for the world. And please check out Kimmie's Kitchen. This is Crockpot Casserole Meals. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.